teach them.
Go on, brother.
The message reach them.
One thing.
Where's Ika?
Yeah, man, so on behalf of the Bounty Foundation, this is a check for $100,000.
Oh, wow.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican Turian.
Put the next on them there.
Something else.
Win it, go!
Say hello to Mari. Say to Mari, say hello, Mr. Price, otherwise known as Bounty Killer. Say hello. Say hi.
We are here to present the little goodies, you know.
And I appreciate it so much. I just said thanks on Stage Here Foundation, and of course to Banky and Mr. Levy who reached out for me to inform me. I really appreciate it about it. And I pray that your foundation will go from strength to strength.
Such is right.
Right.
Yeah, man, so on behalf of the Bounty Foundation, this is a check for $100,000.
Oh wow, thank you so much.
Some little goodies out here from Karamak.
Right. Oh, so I need to say thanks to Karamak. I didn't see that in it.
Okay, yeah, but now, Killer, your response to all of this, and how did you get to know about this young man?
Well, it was really Icon, a friend of mine from Fort Jenner, who reached out to Banky, one of the directors of the foundation, and informed us about the child and the situation. And we know he has been doing these small assistance and donations, so that's how we came knowledgeable about the situation, and then Banky decided we're gonna get a bed. You know what little thing, little tokens, and we had a 100,000 Jamaican dollars and reach out to Karen and we have the goodies also. So it's just the initiative of Bounty Foundation, share because we care, and in these hard times, you know that financially things is not so well with the world. We are in a slight recession, whatever, so financially things is hard. But these little things still can be done. You understand? Because for me, this is like entertainment funds.
How difficult is it to get support from corporate Jamaica for your foundation and some of this great work that you're doing?
Well, it's not really difficult. It's just reaching out to most of them in this time. You know, they are financially in difficulties, but we have been getting assistance from the corporate, and we hope to get some more when things come back together. So I wouldn't say it's hard. It's just real to make contact with them, you know?
Yes, and you wanted to say something?
Okay, and so I'd like to say thank you to Caramed also and to Mr. Rodney Price for presenting us a check of $100,000. I thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Big up, bless up.
Big up, Killer. Congrats again, sir. Great work.
Yeah.
My son teacher.
Oh, you can
in the garden. So the relationship that she reached out, so you know me music please. So instant know how you think right away. You got him on, you know the thing going. Yeah, you know, say, oh, Miss Cat is like my son's teacher, you know. So Miss Cat reach out to me and show me the issue. So the issue was heart melting, you get me? So early on before Miss Cat spoke with me, I was talking to the killer's fiance, because men are good like that. So after speaking to Miss Cat, flashing my thoughts, yo, ring Claudia and say, yo, alright then, get to Bounty Foundation right away. So instantly Claudia goes and say, yo, get to Banky right away. I must get to Banky, and Banky goes on Magic right now, you see it? Icon Records, Icon Jenna, but the record label name Icon, you see it?
I want to slow it. See enjoy me. Salute. You have to get the big foot though, man. I want kind of little foot.
I'm pretty there.
Q said now, Q yet have to come up here, some man.
I don't think they might be passing here. Yeah, you see me now?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!